A busy cook's secret to never forgetting a kitchen task. How a professional cook can use Google Keep to set and tick tasks. Google Keep can help a cook organize kitchen duties, ingredient purchases, food preparation, customer orders, and cleaning schedules. It allows you to create checklists, set reminders, and tick each task after completion. On your phone. 1. Open the Google Keep app and sign in with your Google account. 2. Tap Create at the bottom right corner. 3. Select the new List for Checklist icon. 4. Enter a title such as Today's Kitchen Tasks. 5. Add each duty separately. Check available ingredients. Buy tomatoes, onions, and cooking oil. Marinate the chicken. Prepare vegetables. Cook the rice. Package customers' orders. Clean the cooking area. 6. Tap Enter after each task to create another checkbox. How to tick completed tasks. After completing a task, tap the empty checkbox beside it. For example, ballot box with checkmark check available ingredients. Ballot box with checkmark marinate the chicken. Prepare vegetables. Package customers' orders. Completed tasks will be crossed out and moved to the completed section. Tap the checkbox again whenever you need to return a task to the active list. How to set a reminder. 1. Open the checklist. 2. Tap the bell or remind me icon. 3. Select pick date and time. 4. Choose when you want to be reminded. 5. Select whether the reminder should repeat. 6. Tap Save. A cook may set reminders such as remove meat from the freezer at 6 a.m. Begin food preparation at 8 a.m. Check the oven after 30 minutes. Confirm tomorrow's customer orders. Restock ingredients every Saturday. On a computer. 1. Open Google Keep in your browser. 2. Click the new list icon beside Take a Note. 3. Enter the title and kitchen tasks. 4. Click Done. A cook can clearly see what needs to be done, what has been completed, and what must not be forgotten.